Hi guys, welcome back to library. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and I'm so excited to be reading to you again today. And our story today is going to be a story that takes place in the jungle. So it's called The Umbrella by Jan Brett, and I want you to think about maybe something you know about the jungle. What kind of animals live in the jungle? What would the weather be like in the jungle? Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? There are a lot of cool things about the jungle. And in this story, we can see some of our animals on the cover. I see a jaguar, I see a toucan, I see another bird, and some different types of monkeys. And I know that the jungle is a place where there's lots of trees and it can rain a lot there, and there are many different types of animals. So let's see why this story is called The Umbrella. Sorry about the picture there. The Umbrella by Jan Brett. And here in the inside cover you can see all the animals hiding in the jungle. The Umbrella by Jan Brett. And I'll show you guys the pictures up close after I'm done reading. Hey, little Carlos, where are you going with that umbrella? Into the cloud forest, Papa, to see what I can see. I'll be back. I'll be spotting a jaguar and a monkey. For sure I'll spy a toucan and a kinkajou. I'll keep my eyes peeled for a shy tapir. Buena suerte, Carlos. Good luck, Papa says. Carlos walks into the cloud forest. How silent it is. The only sound is the drip, drip, drip of drops falling from the tall trees. There's not so much as a tiny tree frog down here, Carlos thinks. I'll have to climb up for a better view. Carlos drops his umbrella and starts up the giant fig tree. You see Carlos? He's going to climb up the tree. Here he is, right here. There's a tree frog. Look at all of those trees. It's so green and beautiful. Drip, drip, drip. A little puddle appears in the green umbrella. A tiny tree frog leaps down and slips into the water. Hola! Froggy croaks happily. I have this puddle all to myself. He sinks down until only his eyes peep out. He thinks it's a place for him to sit. Plop! A juicy, ripe fig falls smack into the umbrella. Toucan is not far behind. Froggy sees Toucan's sharp beak. Vete! He peeps. Go away! But Toucan is not moving. He's waiting for another fig to fall. A fig is a type of fruit. High in the tree, a scratching sound starts. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Something is sliding down the tree. It gets louder and louder until thump! Kinkajou tumbles in. Muy grande! Froggy squeaks. You're too big! You can't stay here, Toucan says. But Kinkajou is just getting comfortable. After prowling around all night for food, he's found just the right place to rest. See, this is a kinkajou, some type of rodent. Who's going to join the umbrella next? Thump! Crash! Thump! Baby Tapir blunders into the green umbrella. Blah! Blah! He bawls. Mama! Noah Starkey! She's not here! Froggy shouts, along with hungry Toucan and sleepy Kinkajou. The umbrella's shiny green leaves shiver and shake, but baby Tapir is staying here until his mother comes for him. Now it's getting very crowded in the umbrella. This is the baby Tapir. Swish, swish! A most beautiful bird sails down onto the umbrella handle. Quetzal looks down at Froggy, Toucan, Kinkajou, and Baby Tapper, rocking back and forth. Fly away! They call up, but proud Quetzal is too busy arranging his tail plumes to listen to them. There's the beautiful bird named Quetzal. How many animals are in the umbrella now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals. Wow. Suddenly, Frisky Monkey jumps up and down. He grabs the umbrella, flings it into the river, and jumps aboard. ¿Qué pasa? What is happening? Froggy asks as the water starts to pour into the umbrella. We will sink for sure, Toucan, Kinkajou, Baby Tapper, and Quetzal wail together. That monkey never thinks before he acts. Oh no, I hope they don't drown. Attention! Who's sitting on me? Froggy cries. Stop poking your beak into me, Kinkajou shouts at Toucan. Ah! Bawls Baby Tapper. You're getting my feathers all wet, Quetzal squawks at Monkey. Jaguar is cleaning his silky black spots when he hears all the squabbling and looks up. Oh, there's the jaguar. He sees all the animals. As the umbrella floats by, he pounces in, making it sink even deeper into the water. The animals scramble and squirm out of Jaguar's way. No problemo, Froggy squeaks into Jaguar's ear. Be our guest, the animals cry. Just don't eat us up, is what they think to themselves. So they're worried they're being extra nice to Jaguar so he doesn't try to eat them. Hummingbird flashes by, smaller than small. He sees the big green umbrella handle sticking up, just the place for a hummingbird to stop for a little rest. As he is about to land, they all start shouting. No room! Big Boy Jaguar snarls. Move on, Monkey hollers. Find another place, Quetzal shouts out. We got here first, Kinkajou growls. Stay away, Toucan screeches. Ah! Bawls Baby Tapper. Adios, goodbye, Froggy peeps, but Hummingbird lands anyway. Hope you guys can see these illustrations okay. Kersplash! Uh-oh. What happened to the umbrella? Now they're all in the water. The umbrella tumbles over and everyone falls out. Jaguar, Quetzal, Baby Tapper, Kinkajou, Toucan, Monkey, and Froggy all clamber up the bank as the umbrella plops to the surface and drifts back to shore. Do you think they want to be swimming in the water? They're getting all wet. Up in the fig tree, Carlos looks out at the sea of green. No animals today, he sighs. I wonder where they all are. He climbs down, picks up his umbrella, and walks toward home. Do you guys remember where all the animals are? Yeah, they're in the water, so we can't see them. The sun shines through the green leaves of the umbrella, and Carlos sees the silhouette of a tiny tree frog. Hey, little froggy, try hitchhiking with me tomorrow, and I'll show you a real adventure. I'm going back to the cloud forest to find a toucan, a kinkajou, maybe even a monkey or a shy tapper. I bet I'll see a jaguar, too, and I'm going to find that Quetzal for sure. Carlos props the umbrella outside his door. Drip, drip, drip. Water falls from the roof. A little puddle appears in the green umbrella. Froggy slides down the handle and slips into the water. Hola! Froggy splashes happily. I have this puddle all to myself. And isn't that what he wanted all along? The end. So I hope you guys enjoyed that story. There were some beautiful illustrations of these amazing animals that we find in the jungle. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!